Temari are going to break the fridge with a hammer. Smash! 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 Oh no, we have to run! We're on it, Kankuro. We're going to the room of Grant. They're about to get us. Oh man, we are very hungry. I agree. I have to eat ice creams from the freezer. Me and Bo will eat cupcakes too. And I have to eat candies from the freezer with ice pango. And I have to eat vegetables from the freezer. Oh no! Our freezer is broken. Who did this? It was the San siblings. Kankuro and Temari, come here. What is it? I think we're in trouble. Did you three destroy our freezer with a hammer before my dad gets hurt me? Yes, we did. I agree. Do you know where the San siblings destroys the microwave? Yes, the tree did. We are sorry. We are sorry. We are sorry. Sorry? You three are not sorry, and how dare you destroy our freezer? You know this cost 30,000 pesos? That's it. You three are grounded for 115 years. Get in your room right now. Do not worry, my family and my friends. The truck will deliver until it costs enough 30,000 pesos. Let us get monies like 30,000 pesos. We will pay for this soon. Until the truck gets there. Let's get now. Come on, families. Come on, friends. Mo, Bo, Taki, Jide, Ice Pango, and kids. Sorry if the... Hey, get out of here, and I'm Linker's friend from Angry Birds game from 2009. No. Yes. No. Yes. So get out. Fine. Sorry if the video ends.